In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add contacts, Zoho Books. If you're setting up your accounting system, adding your customers as contacts is one of the first things you'll want to do. It keeps your invoices accurate, your communication clear, and your records tidy, so let's walk through it together. Once you're signed in to Zoho Books, look to the left side of your screen. You'll see the vertical navigation bar. Click on Sales and then select Customers. This takes you to the Customers section, where all of your existing customer records live. You'll see a list view with names and helpful details like balances and statuses. If your list is long, the search bar and filters at the top can help you check whether a customer already exists so you don't create duplicates. To add a new customer, move to the top right corner and click the New button. This opens a form where you can enter the customer's information. Think of this as the profile that Zoho Books will use whenever you create estimates, invoices, or statements. Start with the display name or company name, and make sure it matches how you want it to appear on documents. Add a primary email address so invoices and payment reminders reach the right inbox, and include a phone number for quick follow-ups. If you bill and ship to different places, enter both billing and shipping addresses to avoid delivery mix-ups later. You can also include tax details if they apply to your region, and select a default currency if you work with international clients. If the customer is an individual rather than a company, that's fine too. Just enter their personal name and contact info the same way. A quick tip: keep names consistent and avoid abbreviations that might be unclear to your team. Before saving, take a moment to review what you've typed. Confirm the spelling of the company name, double-check the email address, and make sure the address fields are complete. If there's a notes field, you can use it to capture anything your team should remember, like a preferred contact time or invoicing reference. When everything looks good, click Save. Zoho Books will add the record and bring you back to the customers list, where you'll see the new contact appear right away. From here, you're ready to select this customer the next time you create an estimate or invoice. That's all there is to it. Navigate to Sales, open Customers, click New, enter the details, and save. Repeat the process for each client, and you'll have a clean, reliable customer directory that makes your billing smooth and your reporting accurate.